Welcome to my channel. Hybrid vehicle cooling system failure. Top causes fixes. 1. Check the coolant level. Low coolant is one of the most common causes of hybrid cooling system problems. Make sure the coolant reservoir is filled to the recommended level. 2. Look for coolant leaks. Inspect the ground under your vehicle and check hoses, connections, and the radiator for signs of coolant leaks. 3. Inspect the cooling fan. A faulty cooling fan can cause the hybrid battery or engine to overheat. Ensure the fan turns on when needed. 4. Clean the battery cooling vent. Dust and debris can block airflow to the hybrid battery. Clean the cooling vent regularly for proper ventilation. 5. Check for a faulty water pump. The water pump circulates coolant through the system. If it fails, overheating can occur and trigger warning lights. 6. Examine coolant hoses. Cracked, loose, or damaged hoses can reduce coolant flow. Replace any worn hoses as soon as possible. 7. Test the thermostat. A stuck thermostat may prevent coolant from flowing correctly, leading to high operating temperatures. 8. Scan for error codes. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for cooling system or hybrid battery-related fault codes that can help identify the problem. 9. Replace dirty or old coolant. Over time, coolant loses its effectiveness. Follow the manufacturer's maintenance schedule for coolant replacement. 10. Verify the repair and monitor temperature. After fixing the issue, drive the vehicle and monitor temperature readings to ensure the cooling system is working properly. Thanks for watching.